We are going to discuss about RESTful microservices. When you understand RESTful microservices, while we are going to build any kind of microservices and everything from the context of the business, anyone can be delivered as a reusable services for the consumers. The specific implementation will be tailored to the individual use cases, but there are several common themes across microservices to ensure that implementation is secure, resilient, and constructed to the best experience for the customers. Building serverless microservices on AWS enables you to not only take advantage of the serverless capabilities themselves, but also to use other AWS services and features as well as the ecosystems of AWS and AWS partner networks tools. Serverless technologies are built on top of fault-tolerant infrastructure, which enabling you to build reliable services for your mission-critical workloads. At the same time, the ecosystem of tooling enables you to streamline the building, automate tasks, orchestrate dependencies, and monitor and govern your microservices as well. Lastly, AWS serverless tools are pay-as-you-go, enabling you to grow the services with your business and keep your costs down during entity phases and non-peak times. When we talk about the characteristics, if you want a secure, easy to operate framework that is simple to replicate and has high levels of resiliency and availability. If you want to log utilization and access patterns to continuously improve your backend to support customer usage, we need to understand and seek to usage manage services as much as possible for your platforms. This will also reduce the heavy lifting associated with managing common platforms, including security and scalability as well. So when you start understanding about customers leverage your microservices by making HTTP API calls, ideally consumers should have a tightly bounced service contract to your API to achieve consistent expectation of service levels and change controls. When you see, as far as the diagram itself is concerned, Amazon API gateways host RESTful HTTP requests and responses to the customers. In this scenario, API gateway provides built-in authorization, throttling, security, fault tolerance request, and response mapping and performance optimizations. When you talk about AWS Lambda, contains the business logic to process incoming API calls and use DynamoDB as a persistent storage. Amazon DynamoDB persistently store microservices data and scaled based on the demand. Since microservices are often designed to do one thing well, a schemaless NoSQL data store is regularly incorporated. When we talk about the configuration part of using API gateway logging to understand the visibility of microservices, which consumes access behaviors, this information is also visible in AWS CloudWatch logs and as well as quickly viewed through log pivots, analyzed in CloudWatch logs, insights of fed into other searchable engines such as OpenSearch services or Amazon S3. This information will be given with the key visibilities such as understanding common customer locations, which may be changed geographically based on the proximity of your backend. Understanding how customer input request may have an impact on how you partition your database. Understanding the semantics of abnormal behavior, which can be a security flag as well. Along with this, understanding errors, latency, and catches hits of misses to optimize configuration also. This model also provides a framework that is easy to deploy and maintain and secure environment that will scale as your need grows in regular intervals. So this is what completely about RESTful microservices is all about. For more details, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted below to this video. Thank you.